is Shelly and I'm going to share with you the unboxing of most affordable office desk that you can find in IKEA. So just to provide you a little bit of more details, I got this at just £29 including the delivery. This is quite unbelievable and it was for me as well because I had to set my workstation up and I started looking for some good options on Amazon and IKEA online and on the app as well. But I could find some good options, but the prices were on higher side, like it started from around 40, 50, and even if the prices were less on Amazon in some cases, the delivery fees was quite high, due to which the overall product became quite expensive. So there's a hack behind how I got this office desk at just £29 including delivery. So the product price is 25 and 4 is the delivery. So I'm going to share with you that but towards end of this video. So stay tuned. Now I'm going to start with the unboxing. Let's go. So as you can see, we have like 4 legs which look like this, which needs to be assembled for sure. So I'll just keep it here for now. God, this is too heavy. And here is a big bowl. So you can see that this is quite heavy. It's not like a low quality thing. So it's quite good quality. It looks really good. The best part about IKEA is that you can get some furniture which is quite light in weight, because when you have to shift apartments it becomes necessary that you can easily move that. The heavy furniture is very difficult, and it should be, like, I think it is recommended only when you have your own home here and you don't need to shift your furniture again and again. So that's why I opted for this lightweight table. Just to show you from close, each of the 4 corners of this tabletop, you can see there are 5 tiny holes on which we can attach the plate using the screws, and then the table leg can be inserted to give it support. This is quite heavy. Not very light for sure, like not low quality for sure. Heavy as required. And then unwrap this legs as well. So along with these legs, we have this plate using which we can just attach it to the tabletop, and some screws as well. So to show you, like, we have unwrapped all the content and we have this tabletop here. We have a manual with it, and then we have 4 legs of the table along with which we got this plate to be attached and 5 screws along with each of the leg. So let's start with the assembly now. So I think now we have to attach these plates to the board here. I should be reading the manual first, but it looks like this needs to be done this way, and this leg will go here, and then I need a screw driver to attach it here. I don't have a screwdriver, so yes, you won't be getting but nobody's talking about that. So basically, I think this will go inside easily. I I think I'll use screwdriver, but let me try it with my scissors for now if I can use it. So finally it looks like it's done now. Let me just rotate it. So here's the desk. I'll show you how it looks at my workstation. So this is how my desk looks after organizing everything. I have my monitor, my laptop and a few other things that I need for day-to-day working and other random things. And I have put my mini chair here as well. I had it before, so it's easily accompanied with the desk to create a perfect workstation. So as promised, I have to share with you the secret behind how I got this office desk at such an affordable price, that is just £25. So the secret is that if you buy the table together, the entire table, it'll cost you about 100 or more. But then if you buy the tabletop and the legs separately, then it will going to cost you around 25, or it can be higher depending upon the type you select. But then for this I paid £15 for the tabletop and 2.5 for each leg, which makes up to £10 for all the legs, and then total it is just £25. And to add, the delivery fees depends upon the weight of item as well. So for this particular table I just paid £4. So now the question would be how I got to know about this strategy. So when I had to buy a desk for myself, I visited the nearest IKEA store and then I saw this one. The dimensions were just perfect, the quality was superb, and when I saw the prices, it was much less than my budget actually. So I just noted the product codes which were mentioned, which consisted of these two products, the legs and the tabletop, and I ordered it online. When I was ordering, I checked the delivery fees and I was surprised to see that it was just £4. The reason might be that the weight of these two was less than what they charge when the product is of heavy or the quantity is more. So it is always recommended that if you are planning to get some furniture for yourself, visit the IKEA store first before buying it online, because you get to know how it would feel at your home, if the dimensions are perfect or not, and also you get to know about the various discounts applicable at that point in time. So that was the journey for me. If my video was helpful in any sense to you, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such information. Thank you.